Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Honda Fit versus Civic Si. We'll explore their key differences to help you decide which car best suits your needs. The Fit excels in practicality and urban maneuverability, while the Civic Si is designed for enthusiasts seeking performance. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for making an informed choice. Let's dive into the specifics of each model, starting with their core characteristics. When it comes to performance, these two Hondas are quite different. The Fit offers a smooth, economical ride, perfect for daily commuting and city driving. Its engine provides adequate power for most situations. In contrast, the Civic Si is built for excitement, delivering significantly more horsepower and sharper handling. Its sport-tuned suspension and precise steering make every drive engaging, especially on winding roads. Practicality is where the Honda Fit truly shines. Its innovative Magic Seat system allows for incredible versatility, letting you carry surprisingly large items. You can configure the interior in several ways to maximize cargo or passenger space. The Civic Si, while still practical, prioritizes a driver-focused cockpit. It offers comfortable seating and a well-designed interior, but with less emphasis on extreme cargo flexibility than the Fit. Considering value, the Fit typically has a more accessible price point and boasts excellent fuel efficiency, making it a budget-friendly choice for many. The Civic Si, while costing more, delivers a thrilling driving experience and higher performance, appealing to those who prioritize sportiness. Both offer Honda's legendary reliability. Check the description for a link to those meal prep containers and other great deals. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you value practicality and economy or exhilarating performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.